These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing like now.
Let's fly, Mr. Bugs, on top of the mountain. 200 per person.
Oh, the ticket.
No, 380 here.
And
Yeah,
table
280.
to go and come back.
Okay. On a cable. We're going on a cable to Yento. It's okay. Come, let's go.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing like night into morning. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you.
It says here that this area has been restored in 2002.
Like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is.
The sound of the cable, like, oh my god. Oh my god. It's a bit scary now because it's very windy. Are you scared, one?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's very windy! Oh my god! I was planning to fly little bugs here, but I cannot fly little bugs because it's so windy. Oh my god, it's so windy! Look! Ah! It's so windy! We're in top of the mountain and it's very windy.